Okay, we're on the last page now. We're still doing what we did on 6 and 7. We're drawing a net. You have to name it, draw the net, and find the surface area. So if you have something that is surrounded by triangles, it's a prism. It's a pyramid. Pyramids are surrounded by triangles, and then it's named by the base. Well, I have a 6 by 6 quadrilateral, so I'm going to call that a square pyramid. Now we draw the net. I'm going to start with the base. I'm going to try to draw something that looks like a 6 by 6. I'm going to draw it this way. Try to make it look like all the sides are even. This is my 6 by 6. Then I'm going to draw all the triangles coming out. Well, I'm going to draw just the sides. I don't know how long the sides are. Sides are long though. If this is 6, then those sides are really tall. I don't know how long those are, but I know that the height, I see that little 90-degree right angle symbol. I know that this is the height of the triangle and it's 12. And that's the same on each one. So if I want to find the surface area, I need to find the area of the base. If it's a square, it's going to be 5 times 5, which is 6 times 6. Then I need to find the area of each triangle. Well, each triangle is identical to the other one. They all have a base of 6 and a height of 12, and you need to take half of that. So you have a square, and then you have 4 identical triangles that all have the same base and height. So use your formula, area equals half of base times height, and you know that that happens 3 more times. Add all those together for your surface area. I have another object that's surrounded by triangles, so I know it's a pyramid. What kind of pyramid it is depends on the base. The base is a triangle, so this is a triangular pyramid. Now I'm going to try to draw it. Well, I see that the bottom is equilateral, or it could be isosceles, but I know at least 2 of the sides are the same length. 2 of the sides are 5, and this one looks like it's the same. I'm just going to assume it's equilateral and kind of draw them all the same-ish size. Those are all the 5s. That's the bottom. Then I'm going to draw the triangles that are going up. I don't know this length, but I know the height, again, that has the right angle symbol. The height is 10. I also know the height here. They labeled this height of the base as 8. So I know this is 5. The base of the base is 5, and the height of the base is 8. If I want to, I can label that in. Now I can draw each triangle. Again, I don't know how long the sides are, and it doesn't matter, because the only thing that matters is the height, which we're going to put in. And I'm going to have 3 triangles, because I have 3 sides. And they all are going to have a height of 10. So, and mine don't look the same, but it's okay. This is 10, this is 10, this is 10. So they all have a height of 10, and they all have a base of 5. Remember, the bottom is 5 all around. So if you want to find total surface area, you want to find the area of the base, which is a triangle that has a base of 5 and a height of 8. Base times height divided by 2. Then you have 3 triangles that are identical, even though I didn't draw them to look that way. They are identical. They all have a base of 5 and a height of 10. And the formula is area equals half base times height. So you can find those and add all these up. Last one. The last one, they only give me 1 measurement, which is 8. And that's all I need because it's a cube. A cube is made up of 6 squares. All sides are the same. I can just draw some pencil if I want. Try to, I don't know. That looks more like a rectangle, but you try to draw yours like squares. try to draw yours where it kind of looks like all the sides are the same. And you put your sides, if you want to put them at the top, that's fine. So this one obviously looks longer, but we're going to imagine these are all squares and that they're all 8. So that means this would be 8. And this would be 8. Even if I didn't draw it to look that way, that's what's true about a cube. A cube is made up of squares, and squares have the same length sides. 4 congruent sides. Okay, so I need to find the area of the cube, and the area of the surface area of the cube, and the area of each square is going to be side times side. All the sides are 8. This is 8, this is 8, this is 8, this is 8. All the sides are 8. So all of the areas are going to be base times height, or side times side, or side squared. All the areas are going to be side times side. And then you have 6 of those. So you tally that up, and then you are done with this assignment. Turn it into the turn-in tray.